Hey, what's going on YouTube? Will here from All Electric, back again with another video. And today I have HIBOY's folding e-bike. Huge thank you goes out to Akrama Tool and Nicola Pro supporting this channel at the All Electric tier. Click the link down below and support this channel for as little as $1 a month. I've done another video on a folding e-bike, and that was the Aventon Cinch. And I'm gonna put a card to that video up here in the corner because I'm gonna be referencing that bike in this video a lot. Now, both of those bikes being a folding e-bike, they are not the same. I have to admit, when I took this thing out of the box and sat on it for the first time, it felt like a little clown bike. Now, this thing really underperforms in terms of power. I'm about 200 pounds and it struggles going up any sort of incline. Also, one of my biggest complaints right off the bat is the horn for this bike came broken in the box. I reached out to HIBOY to get a replacement part, and they told me that they don't have any replacement parts that they could send me. Not great customer service. Now, don't get me wrong, and don't think I'm starting this video off on just bashing HIBOY. The HIBOY electric skateboard and the HIBOY electric scooter are still some of the best products I've tested. Not to mention that HIBOY electric scooter is the best scooter I've ever tested. They definitely have some really great products out there, including their electric skateboard, which I'll try to put some cards up here in the corner to those videos. But this one, to me, this folding e-bike by HIBOY is a huge miss. The size of this thing, I get why they did that, and that's so they can easily fold it and put it into a trunk. Now, from my cinch video, you can see that that thing will fit in the trunk of this Model 3, and so will this. But I will say, folding and getting it in and out of a vehicle, this is definitely where this HIBOY folding e-bike wins, because it's so tiny. Like, this thing is small. Like, the tires, I think, are about 12 inches. So, really small. So if you're using this as like a commuter bike, like where you're going to drive to a commuter lot and then hop on this bike and travel the rest of your way to work, then you're taking that out of your trunk a lot, and this bike might make sense for you. But for me, just riding this thing, I feel like I am in a circus. Okay, no more clown jokes, I promise. Now, in terms of overall functionality and safety for this bike, I do like how they included a horn, although my button came broken, which probably won't happen for you if you order one of these. I do also like how they have an integrated headlight here, which is fantastic. Another huge safety element. When you turn on the headlight, you also get this rear brake light, and that is connected to the brakes. So when you do pull on the brakes, it does also flash that brake light. Awesome. I do like how they included front and rear fenders. Now, simple controls up here on the handlebar, a simple throttle, simple controls, on-off button on the left-hand side, 2 brake levers on either hand, and a regular throttle to turn on the electric motor. And you do have a nice display here showing you how much charge you have left in the battery. Now, if you are thinking about using this bike as a commuter where you keep it in your trunk and you take it out of your trunk anytime you want to go, several miles, one downside to me is I wish they would have made this battery removable. I know some of the other e-bikes I have tested where you can just simply remove the battery would be really helpful, especially in this situation with a smaller foldable e-bike. They do include a very powerful kickstand, which I was really impressed. That's probably one of the nicest pieces on this bike. A really nice large seat, which I'm glad they put on, but it stops there because the rest of this bike is really just kind of cheap plastic. Super easy to fold the handlebars down, and that's about all you get in terms of folding, which is fine because of the small size of this bike. You're not going to want it folded down anymore because it is so small it could easily fit in this trunk. which I'll show you right here. There is another adjustment up top here on the handlebars where you're able to actually turn the handlebars forward or back depending on where you like the brake, and a nice little bonus. I mean, overall construction is fine. It's not the best, it's not the worst. It's not something I would see myself using because of the small tires. Again, I just feel like I am in a circus and I'm a little clown going in a circle. But I do like all the adjustments that you can make with this, like moving this seat higher, twisting the handlebars, and then of course you have the foldable mechanism up here. All right, there you have it. This is the HIBOY electric folding e-bike. If you guys are interested in this bike, I'm gonna put a link down below in the description. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.